Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to track a stolen phone using its IMEI number. First, make sure you have your phone's IMEI number. On another Android device, go to the Google Play Store and search for IMEI Tracker Find My Device. Install the app and log in with your Google account. Once installed, open the app and allow permissions so it can access location services. Tap the location icon to scan and track the phone's live location. In the app security commands section, you can enable remote commands like sending messages, alerting contacts, or recovering your IMEI by email. And that's it. That's how to track a stolen phone using its IMEI number. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.